Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will tackle one of the most common and most panic including error a SQL Server DBA will ever use. The transaction log for the database is full due to active transactions. Or you might see its error 9002. In this video, I am going to do something a little different. Instead of using telling you how to fix, I am going to intentionally recreate the error on the test database and right in front of you so you can see exactly why it's happened. Then we will walk through the real world solution step by step. So let's continue. Before we break something on purpose, let's understand why this happened. The transaction log records ever change made to your database. One second, I will show you. As you know, this is our users database. I will check the log file. This is our transaction log files. Every transaction which is running on the test database is recorded in this. Whether it is insert, update, delete operations, all are recorded in this test.log and it is keep on growing. Our database when it is in full transaction log mode. When database is in full transaction mode or bulk load, it will save all the transaction in our log file, transaction log files. And this way, all the transactions keep on adding in the log file, which will increase the size of our log file. And in that case, we are facing challenge with Aura error 9002. That causes the main problem of the error and causing space issue also. So let's try to simulate the error by creating a test database. So first of all, I am going to create one database here. I am open new query. I am going to create one test database and I'm going to connect to master database for executing the create database statement. Now you can see our test database is created. I'm going to refresh here. The test database is log demo DB. This is our test database. Now I am going to set the recovery mode to the full for this test database. Now I am going to take the backup of this database. I can use this dash command or I am going to change the drive name C and creating a folder in C backups. I created the folder in C drive and I am going to run the backup of this database now. You can see the backup was successfully run 449 pages are added. Now one thing I will do for generating the error, I will set the max size of the our log file. So I'm going to use commands to set the max size of our test database. Yes, now this command is working. So let's continue with our next step. Now we are going to create one table in this. I am creating one test data table with ID and filler text. Now I am going to insert data so that it will generate errors by using one script. It will take time. So sorry guys. You can see the transaction log of database is full due to log backup. This is our error 9002 which I want to show you and how in production environment we will going to fix this error. This is the error generated. I am going to copy paste this error for our reference in Notepad. Now we will see how to fix this error. You can see the error is generated here. Now first of all we will going to diagnose this error. So I am having one query. So I am going to execute that and I will explain that. You can see log backup recovery model is our full and our reuse wait description shows log backup. Log backup means no log backup has run. So our no log backup is running. So we can fix it by running a no log backup. There are different options also the SQL Server suggests. I will share with you on the window. In this hour, we are getting log backup. So when we run the log backup, it will fix the issue. This is our different option we get. No log backup has run our today scenario. It will also give active transactions, a long running open transaction, the application has not delivered yet, availability replica and always on replica has not hardened the log yet. These are the usually causes of our backup. Active backup and storage currently running. These are the usually cause of the backup. So whenever we got this error, we have to check this column log reuse wait describe, which will show you how we are going to approach for this error. Now I am going to run the log backup of the for the error. Sorry, the path is not here. I have to switch to C drive. You can see the log backup is done. So we will try to again this run, but our size is so small so that it will generate again this error. In production environment, we can fix the error by using log backup because in a production environment, our transaction log backup size is large, not at 20 MB or 30 MB. So I will show you after increasing the size of this to our 500 MB so that our error will be not appear again. It will show that the transaction log was full, so we cannot increase the size. So we are going to execute this and try to run again. Hopefully, this time it will increase the size. You can see now our size of log file is 500 MB. There is one way we can take the backup of that log file to get rid of this error, or we can increase the size of that data file after taking backup. Now, so you can see that it is now filling the data and it will work fine. I hope so. It will covering 500 MB. You can also check the size of the log space by using DBC equal. The session is running, so I will try to open in different session. Let's see what's it's shown. You can see the log space used in our database right now. It is going to be 97% used. We are going to run it again. It is 99% used now. So hopefully we will get error again. It is still 99. We have enough space, so it is right now running. So let's see if we get errors again or not. This is the one solution we can take backup of our log files. Backup log to disk and provide the same. This is the proper fix. Taking a log backup, truncate the inactive portion of our logs and bring the space for reuse without losing any data. If the log file still needs sync, suppose our OS also needs the shrinking of the space. Suppose my log file size is around 1 terabytes. I want to release that space to the OS again. Then we are using dvc shrink command. I will show you that also up to 50%, up to 10%. I am not running this command, but I am only showing you. It is still on execution. This is the suppose our terabytes or local size is in terabytes. So we want to release the space to OS again. Then we are using TVC shrink also to shrink the file. But I don't recommend to use it. So always try to schedule jobs for taking transaction log backup on time to time or daily or after 1 hour or after 2 hours, whatever is your production requirement. In this way, we can avoid this error. And there is one another option if you want to quick fix this solution. You can add a secondary data file on that by right clicking on this. If you are getting error and you are in production server and you want to quickly fix this error, you can simply go to files, click on this or add data file. Add one log file here, choose log file and give the name, and you can give the size unlimited or whatever you want, and you can add this. In this way, you can quickly fix this error. This is the two option you can quickly fix the error in production environment. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.